Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Prestige P. Okay, this is number 3. This is row number 3 in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and this is the look that I came up with. And these looks are these colors on my eyes are all row number 3. As I said, I'm trying to do all the rows each day, so if it doesn't look wearable, I am just testing all the colors out. That's it. Later on, when I finish all the colors into the palette, I will come up with a look that you could wear out. So don't mind all of these colors on my eyes right now, even though they don't look all that, but I'm just showing you guys all the looks on my skin tone and deeper. If you are my skin tone, you're gonna end up with the same, product basically. So I hope you enjoy. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on your bell, because I will upload every single day, Monday through Friday. And yeah, let's jump right into this video. Okay, so face is all prep and prime, moisturize, primer, all of that good stuff. I'm not starting off with my face. I'm gonna do my face later after I finish my eyes, because I realized that I had a lot of fallout yesterday and I really didn't like that. So I'm gonna just focus on the eyes today, and then later on I'll do my foundation. I did my eyebrow and I used the Anastasia in Ebony, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use the Fenty in 380 just to clean up my eyebrow, and I'm gonna take that all the way down and clean up my eyelid. Okay guys, so I put another concealer that I use sometimes. This is a Ruby Kisses in 1114. I put it right underneath my eyes because while I'm doing the top part of my eyes, I want to bring the colors all the way down. So I did not set it also, so this is like still wet. So we're gonna go into the infamous, my camera is just not trying to focus on me today, the infamous Jaclyn Hill palette. And you guys know today is the 3rd row, and I'm gonna go into these colors right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it onto a fluffy brush. So the first shade I want to go into is, I want to go into this G Money. G Money is a transition shade. You guys know I love browns when it come on to transition shade, and again, it do have fallout, so you guys be mindful of that. And I'm not going to top it off too much this time. First, I'm going to go ahead and just pat it on instead of, blending it out. So I'm going to focus right here. And when I get to the pigmentation that I like, I'm going to go ahead and blend it out. But so far, this is very pigmented. Very. Okay, so next I'm gonna take my man and I'm gonna put it onto a very smaller brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend out only the top part of the first shade. I'm gonna slightly just feather it on at the top. I just want to blend out the harsh lines only, so just take your time and just feather the top part out. And this color is very muted. It's not that pigmented on my skin tone. As I say, lighter skin tone will definitely show more. So I'm gonna go ahead and just continue to just blend that top part out. Okay, so next I'm gonna go back into G Money and my man. I'm gonna take it all the way down to the bottom part. I'm gonna take another brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just pat it on. And these colors, I don't recommend that you like sweep it or swipe it, just tap it on. The colors are there, definitely are there, but they're not as pigmented as you guys can see. And then I'm gonna use that same brush, but I am wiping it off. And then I'm gonna take my man and put it right on top. So next I'm gonna go into another brush and I'm gonna go into Grateful, and I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna put it right onto the outer corner onto the lid. Just tap it on. And then with the first shade I'm gonna go into, which was G Money, and just try to get that color back where I already put it, and just slowly blend it out, like really lightly. So I'm gonna go into my Fenty and I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lid, because on Friday's video I wanted to cut the lid but I totally forgot. So I'm definitely going to cut the lid today. Okay, so next I'm gonna go on onto Heart On, which is this nice pinkish shade, and I'm gonna take that just to clean up the sides, like kind of blend out the sides, and I'm gonna tap it on. Just tap it on like this. This color really show up. Wow, I did not expect that. It show up brighter, way brighter than the rest of the colors that I put on. Okay, so with a pencil brush, I'm gonna go back into Heart On, and I'm gonna take that just to clean up like the top part. Not really clean it up, but I want Heart On to be, you know, blend with the other one. So I'm just gonna go up top and just pat it on first. Hopefully it looks good. Okay guys, so now for the lid space, let me see how much I have left. I have Living My Best. I have what did I do? I didn't do Positivity, and also Fluid and a Weed. I don't know how to pronounce that one. So for the lid, I'm gonna go into Fluid and a Weed. I'm gonna take it onto a flat brush. This one have a teeny bit of fallout, but it is so pigmented. I think I'm gonna love this color, but wait first. Let me just put it onto my lid. Ooh, I like it. Do you see that? Wow. Okay, all right. I think I'm realizing that all of the shimmers I love. Like, do you realize since I'm doing these videos, I'm loving all the shimmers? So this is nice. It's really golden, but it's a subtle gold, which is really nice. So I'm only gonna put it at this side because I have what, 2 more colors to put on. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put it right here. Pretty. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take another brush, and then I'm gonna go into Living My Best, which is the red one. I'm praying that this turned out good. Okay, I'm not gonna brush my brush off. I'm gonna tap it on. Okay, let's go again. This one have tons of fallout. comes on very patchy. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's very patchy. Very, very patchy. Okay, let me, I don't know, should I wet my brush? It's very patchy. All right, let's see. I don't see no difference. It's very matte though. In the pan, it looks like it has shimmer, but this is matte. Why am I seeing bits of sparkling pink though? I'm seeing bits of sparkly pink. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it came on very patchy. Look at that. Very, very patchy. But I don't know if this is a true red. Not for my eyes. You know, they're saying that it's a true red. I don't think so. Maybe for the lighter skin, but definitely not for the darker skin. Definitely not true color, true red, true whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna go into positivity. I'm gonna take another brush, and as you can see that this have a lot of fallout, so I'm gonna go into this one here, and I'm gonna put that right onto the side. Just pat it on. So far I do not have any fallout, none at all. That's how it is. That's how it is. I'm gonna take, where is it? I'm gonna go ahead and take Living My Best, and I'm gonna go ahead and just tap it right underneath right here. Just right underneath a little bit. And I'm gonna definitely blend it out. I know there's a lot of colors going on under my eyes, but I just want to go ahead and just, you know, kind of make it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take Heart On and blend it out. Okay, so I'm gonna go into my NYX wing liner. I'm not gonna do a wing today. I'm just gonna line my lash line. Okay guys, so I already went ahead and just do my foundation and concealer off camera because I don't want this video to be too long. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face because I did not, the only thing I did was put the Sacha Buttercup to set everything, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face. And I'm using the MAC in NW45. I have so many colors onto my eyes. Oh my god. Oh, it's crazy, right? Okay, so we're gonna go into the where is it? Like something is in front of me and I can't find it. This is the Fenty in Mocha Mummy, and I'm gonna go ahead and just do a little contour. And then for blush, you guys know what I'm gonna use already. No need to show you. No need to show you. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face. So before all that spray dry up, I'm gonna go into the e.l.f. and I'm taking both shade and do a little highlights. So for lips, I'm gonna take, what is this? This is e.l.f. and I haven't used this in a long time. This is Berry Sorbet. Right here is purple, but I'm gonna try it on and see how it looks. Does this look good with the color? I don't know. I think I need a brown lip liner just to put at the end. So I'm gonna go into Chestnuts. Okay guys, so this is the finished product of row number 3 in the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. I am okay with this look. It's very colorful. The colors, as you guys can see that, okay, let me explain something to you. All the matte shade into the palette are very, very, very powdery. Okay, very. All right, so just so you guys know, if you do order this it's very powdery. The shimmer colors I really like, as you guys can see on my lid, that this one here, Flawed and Odd, I think that's how you pronounce it, I love. Like, I could put this all over my eyelid. Like, I really love this color so much. I love G Money. Love G Money. I don't like Positivity. No, this is not for me. Okay, somebody lighter, yes. If you're lighter, this will definitely look good on you. My man, okay, it's like not all that. Grateful, love Grateful, because as you guys see that I did it for my transition shade and I really like it. Heart On, it's just not my thing. And then Living My Best, I'm not showing you all the guys. Living My Best, it's okay. It's not all that, it's just okay. All right, so these are all the colors here. Yes, that's row number 2. And sound off down below if you guys think that I'm doing a good job with showing you guys all the different row every single day until I'm done for dark skinned girls, you know, because I realized that all the review on YouTube, they're light skin, like they're mad light, they're like white, and I hardly see any dark skinned girls. So I just want to show you guys how it would look if you buy it, what you're gonna expect, okay, and also just how it will look on your entire eyelid. Like, the only one I really love right now on my lid is the gold one. Everything else I'm not feeling, but it's okay. You just have to keep on building non-stop, and it's so damn powdery. And also the lashes that I have on is called Fluffy from my company. Link is always in the description box, so make sure you check it out. But anyway guys, sound off. I will see you on Tuesday video. But anyway guys, sound off. I will see you tomorrow on my Tuesday video to do row number 4, and then I have one more row and that's that. So make sure you're already subscribed, turn on the bell, and I do upload Monday through Friday, as you guys can see. So make sure you are staying tuned to watch me every single day, because why not? Why not? Okay. So I will see you again in my next one. Bye.